Life affirmation, strategies for dealing with death. Life affirmation is to accept that we are here for a short period of time. Be the best you can. Enjoy your life. Art. Picasso paint Boy with a Pipe. The paint is from his happy time, rose period. He used cheerful orange and pink colors. It is not the subject and its context that matter most, but the paint. Van Gogh, he was an excellent artist and he had a great support from his brother. He reinvented himself, ignoring the fact that people did not recognize his job, but he sadly gave up and killed himself. Literature. If I Should Die, Emily Dickinson. It is a cheer of life and death. Bridge to Therapy. This popular book, which is banned, is about a boy named Jesse who has a friend, Leslie, that falls to her death. Then Jesse tries to find out how to go on his young life. Music. Gospel music is a genre of Christian music, and it is composed and performed for many purposes, including artistic, pleasure, religious, and even entertainment products for the marketplace. On the other side, music can be used also as a ritual for death, like in New Orleans, where they break into happy jazz in funerals. The musical stage. Avenue Q is a great musical theater where talks about today's economically, politically, and socially troubled times with refreshing words giving the calming effect of life is good, enjoy. Welcome to a show about death. An interesting musical that tells the story about a couple that die in a car accident and then find themselves stuck hunting their country residence, unable to leave the house. That's the thing with life. No one makes us out alive. Theater. Life affirmation can be a comedy at the theater. You enjoy life when you laugh. The Odd Couple was originally produced for Broadway. It is a great play. Lifeless affirmation is in The Famous, where Socrates drank poison, indicating that the freedom to think and communicate rationally was more important than being alive. Film and television. A life affirmation is the program of Joel Osteen. He is an inspirational life coach. He preaches about how many people can improve their life, be prosperous, and experience happiness. On the other side, less affirmation, the undead. Zombies represent real evils that cannot be controlled. They bring victims to the other side.